This is Jerome, Arizona in 1 minute. Sitting atop of Cleopatra Hill at 5,000 feet above sea level, Jerome was founded in 1899 due to the discovery of copper. Once the home of over 10,000 miners, now only 444 people call it home year-round. Not exactly a ghost town, but home of more ghost stories than the rest of the West combined. Jerome became Arizona due to the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo in 1848. It gets hot, 108. It gets cold, -15. And there is over 1 billion years of geological history missing from the rocks in Jerome. Scientists are so baffled they refer to it as the Great Unconformity, even though the same rocks in the mountains around Jerome are found at the bottom of the Marianas Trench. This is Jerome, Arizona.